naman, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, papalapit na yung Pasko and I'm sure you're ready to cook your own recipes. And
Yes.
syempre, kailangan tayo ng mga ingredients dyan. And take a look at our table for today.
You know?
Ito yung feature natin ngayon. We traveled from San Fernando to Guagua to check out this meat processing shop.
So this is CK Frozen Meat and Trading. So available dito yung iba't ibang klaseng meat lalo na ngayong Pasko.
So guys, if you're interested to know more about this, become a reseller, or even yun nga, if you're a restaurant owner and naghahanap ka ng supplier mo for their meat, I think this video is for you.
So to know more about this, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go! Nandito tayo ngayon sa CK Frozen Meat and Trading. And syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Crystal para pakilala yung mga products na available natin.
Here in Quilo, San Mathias, Guagua Pampanga, we have menudo for as low as 90 pesos. And for the next one is lechon roll. You can buy this at 115 pesos.
Meron din po tayong
Meron din po tayong pata for as low as 125 pesos.
usually naman mong mga luto na pwedeng available sa pata natin.
Kadalatang pata, nilaga, and kare-kare.
And gano'n po siya kabigat? Yung per package natin?
Approximately 1 kilo. We offer din for crispy pata. So, whole siya mabibili.
Another product natin is yung
Pork chop
ayan.
for only 145 pesos. Our best seller, beef chunks for bulalo.
Kitang-kita din naman yung kanilang
Bone
bone
marrow.
marrow. So talagang feeling ko, ito yung pinaka-best seller nila. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes. You can buy this for as low as 245 pesos. Marinated liambo,
Pwede tuktok na rin sila.
125 pesos.
Another products din is available, yung po mga...
Kasim cubes, 145 pesos.
So meron din tayo.
Kasim.
So this is available dito sa may CK Frozen Meat and Trading. So another product po natin is
Chicken inasal, another our best seller product. Ready to cook na din siya for only 90 pesos. You can buy this chicken inasal. Chicken breaded, ready to fry na din po siya, naka-marinate na din po. For only 90 pesos only.
So napakamura nila dito sa may CK Frozen Meat, di ba? So dito, imagine 90 pesos for approximately 1 kilo. At the same time, marinated and may harin na rin. Nagluluto ka na lang.
Yan po, premium. For
How much po?
only 145 pesos.
So syempre, yung mga hinihintay natin tuwing Pasko are syempre yung kanilang mga hams. So
Okay.
ang hams natin, ma'am, magkano po siya dito?
Ano
You
po
can
yung-
avail it 3 for 165 pesos. Pero din po tayong buy one, take one for only 90 pesos. We have fish ham and pork ham.
Alright, thank you po Ma'am Crystal.
So syempre, to see naman kung paano ginagawa yung mga ham nila. So pupunta tayo sa production area nila to check kung ano yung process ng paggawa ng ham nila. So tara!
Hi, welcome to CK Frozen Meats and Trading. I'm Anne at your service. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa aming production area, production ng aming ham. First step is mag-grind tayo ng ating meat. So, after grinding ng ating meat is imimix natin ang ating wet and dry ingredients sa ating mixing machine. After 10 to 12 hours of curing, it is ready for weighing and molding. Okay. After we mold, we are going to put it in the pot and ready for boiling for about 3 hours. We are going to let it cool down. Once in a while, kailangan natin siyang baligtarin for it na hindi mag-iiba-iba yung color niya. Ma-maintain niya yung shyness nung ating ham. After cooling down, it is ready for glazing. And after glazing, is ready na siya for wrapping and packaging.
there you have it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you if you're looking for those meat ingredients. At the same time, guys, need nyo ng supplier for your restaurant or even actually yung
personal.
walk-ins, no? Personal. Para sa inyong own recipe, yeah, pwede dito, guys.
Yes, lalong-lalo na they are one of the cheapest
Yeah,
supplier
I think
ng
so.
meat dito sa Guagua, Pampanga.
Kakabigla nga, no? Sobra talagang mura ng kanilang mga products. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.